Don't forget to subscribe to I Am Shaheen Ali because I post new and exciting videos every week. Stay tuned. Hello humans of the world and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Shaheen Ali. My name is Shaheen and in this video I'm going to be answering some of your questions. Call me old fashioned, I wrote them down on paper, so please don't judge me, but let's do it. First of all, I'm so grateful for you all for sending these questions. This is my first Q&A and I let's just get started. First question is, how do you stay motivated to post every day? I have motivation to keep doing what I love to do, that is posting, connecting with you guys, shooting for YouTube videos and everything, but I need everyday motivation to get out of the bed, keep my day going, shoot, actually sit and shoot, so I need motivation for that. But I'm quite motivated because I love doing what I do. The next question is, why did you shift from travel to comedy? Well, the answer is pretty simple, because I was not traveling anymore and I wanted to continue with my channel. I did not want it to be dormant. So I thought, what am I good at? And I thought that I am quite funny. Because हंसाना हमारा कर्तव्य है. Next question is, why does Pintia have a small beard? Well, Pintia has a small beard because he's 13 years old. Next question is, how did you come up with your character of Pintia and story behind your brother Pintia? See, I have a crazy side of me which I don't want to portray in this hair, in this shakal and this everything. So I created Pintia, who can make you laugh, being weird, being crazy, and being totally me. Next question is, why did you start a YouTube channel? Well, I started a YouTube channel because I love acting, I love being in front of camera, and this was only a productive way where I had the whole creative control with me. I wanted to do, I could do what I wanted to do. Next question is, what do you do in your free time? Well, it's pretty easy. I sleep, I eat, I Netflix, and I sleep again. How frustrating is this COVID situation for you? Not at all. It's not at all frustrating because I'm kind of a nerd. I like sitting at home. I am kind of an ambivert. So I'm introvert and extrovert. मेरे लिए ज़्यादा कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ वैसे कोविड सिचुएशन में. The only change was that my mother was at home and working, and the only change that happened was I joined college. बाकी ज़्यादा कुछ चेंज हुआ नहीं मेरी लाइफ में. आई एम स्टिल मेकिंग वीडियो सिटिंग एट होम, आई स्टिल सिटिंग एट होम एंड वॉचिंग नेटफ्लिक्स. आई स्टिल स्लीप इन द same bed. So there was not a lot of pressure in the COVID situation and it was pretty easy. What I miss the most about outside world is my gym. Next question is, which book is your favorite till now? Categorically. I have three favorites. So first is it's a murder mystery thriller kind of a book, which is Tell Me Your Dreams by Sydney Sheldon. I love that book. I fell in love with that book long ago. It is, I think, my longest love affair. I've read that book like 5 times. And second is Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine. That is my recent love affair, which I think I'm cheating on Tell Me Your Dreams with it, but I don't care. Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine is like a sunshine in my life. So whenever I need to feel happy, I just read that whole book. Well, I've read it only once, but it's like a sunshine in my life. So I smiled for 5 days straight when I finished that book. So if you want to read it, please read it. The third book is 40 Rules of Love. So that is like love only. वो अफेयर नहीं है, वो प्यार है. 40 Rules of Love has changed my perspective of life and it has improved my life so much. So 40 Rules of Love has a different corner of my heart filled with only love for that book. And Elif Shafak, of course. And the next question is, if a couple wants to visit a calm and quiet place with very less tourists, which place in India do you recommend? I recommend 2 places, that is Hampi and Meghalaya. Hampi and Meghalaya both don't have a lot of tourist footfalls, so you can check that out. If you want to do backpacking trip, which things should you pack? Clothes for sure. Clothes तो pack करोगे ही, but essentials. I don't know a lot about backpacking trips, but there are a lot of videos that I watched for travelers who were backpacking. So if you really want to know about backpacking, I'll link them in the description below, so you can just check it out. Next question is, were you nervous while starting your YouTube channel? Oh yeah. I was very nervous while starting your YouTube channel. I was nervous beyond expectation. Like, I didn't know where this channel was going. I didn't know what I was doing. I had set my bar so up high, like watching all the travel vloggers and travel YouTubers. I was like, मैं कुछ ऐसा कभी कर पाऊंगी जिंदगी में या नहीं? Because I had no skills. I had nobody helping me shoot. I still have nobody helping me shoot. I have nobody helping me in editing. I completely did everything on my own. I learned from YouTube. So, our next question is, how did you start making content? Well, it's an interesting story. So, first I started with blogs. But before that, I used to write on Facebook, and my write-ups, मेरे write-ups पे मेरे aunt ने comment किया कि why don't you start a blog? So मैंने blog start कर दिया. So हम लोग I think UK जा रहे थे, and we wanted to search for places to go in Ireland, and वहाँ पे we came across a video. We were watching it on YouTube. My mother and my sister, everybody sitting together, we were watching on YouTube, and we came across this channel of Vagabond Brothers, and we were watching it, and my mother suddenly turned to me and said, "Okay, why don't you do this?" I was like, okay. And that's how we started. Next question is, why did you want to start a YouTube channel? So basically, I wanted to start a YouTube channel for travel, but then I shifted to comedy because I loved acting and I love making people laugh, so that's why. Okay. Next question is, how long does it take to make a YouTube video, including writing the script, filming, editing, etc.? Okay, it completely depends on आपके पास what kind of channel you have. अगर आपका gamer channel है तो you don't require scripting much. You just have to concentrate on filming and editing. If you have a comedy channel, then you have to get your script ready, I think a couple of weeks before you actually start shooting. Then editing also takes a lot of time because बहुत sound effects होते हैं, बहुत graphics effects होते हैं and everything like that. If you want a detailed analysis of the whole thing, then I have made a video called Is It Easy Being a YouTuber? You should go check it out. Next question is, what's on your bucket list and how many of it is done so far? Okay, so I don't have a bucket list as such, but there are two things that I really want to do, and those are skydive and bungee jump. I'm very scared of it, like very scared of it, but I still want to do it. Last question is, who is your inspiration towards your YouTube career? Oh my god, I mean, my inspiration has to be Mostly Sin and Lilly Singh. Those two are legends. I mean, the kind of foothold that they have created in this YouTube world and comedy, and I could just go on and on about them, but I am such a huge fan of Mostly Sane and Lilly Singh, and they are such a huge inspiration for me and for my channel and for my content. They are the true inspiration behind this comedy that I've started doing on my channel, and I love them. I love Mostly Sin and Lilly Singh. So I just hope in future that I get a certain number of subscribers and I'm able to go to a YouTube creator camp or something like that related to YouTube, and I get to meet these legends. Like, somehow I just pray and hope that I get to meet Mostly Sin and Lilly Singh one day. So if you want me to meet Mostly Sin and Lilly Singh, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, please share this video. I'm really glad that you people asked these questions. This is my first Q&A, and I really hope that this Q&A keeps going. So if you have any questions now also, please comment in the section below or DM me on Instagram, and I will make another video if I have enough questions with me. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and I will do my best to keep you entertained. Hasta pronto, mis amigos. Until next time.